85 Fengshan Market and Hawker Centre is nearby. A bus stop is just beside the block. A community plaza. A children playground. Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Fengshan in Bedok Estate. We are seeing a 3NG model at block 124 Bedok North Road. Come, let's take a look at the unit. This flat lease began in 1978 with about 51 years remaining. The flat faces north and enjoys a pleasant breeze during the northeast monsoon season. Upon entry, the house is just newly renovated with vinyl flooring and plaster walls. The front room can fit a queen's bed, wardrobe, and study desk, while the master room comes with an attached bathroom and has similar squarish layout that can fit in a queen's bed, wardrobe, and dresser. The kitchen is fitted with lower built-in carpentry cabinets that separates the kitchen from the laundry area. This 67 square meter flat offers a comfortable space for singles or small families and a lifestyle to enjoy everyday living right in the heart of Bedok Estate. Lastly, if you may worry that you are not eligible as the remaining lease does not cover the youngest buyer's age to 95, no worries. Actually, you are eligible to purchase. Only the CPF usage or loan will be pro rata, and this can be calculated. Please let me know and I can help you with that. So please give me a call for a viewing. I will see you in the next video.